Hello everyone. Let me show you my PNL for this week expiry. I won't be showing you the entire PNL. So this is only for this week expiry. Okay. So from 17th to 23rd. Yeah. Leaving out the charges, the net realized PNL is 46,000. So these are the trades which I had taken. Okay. And I had traded only in option buying, so be it put or call, both I had done. Hello everyone. Before the market started, I had done the homework. This was the Virgin CPR. So if the market opens above that, then it won't break the Virgin CPR, and if it opens below the Virgin CPR, then it won't cross the Virgin CPR. So I had kept this in my mind already. So as soon as the market opened at around much below the Virgin CPR. So in the third candle, when it was touching the top CPR, I bought the put, thinking that the market will reverse from here. But unfortunately, I was wrong. So it kept on going higher till it reached the bottom CPR. So let me show you when did I buy. At 9:25 I bought. 23rd September 17,400 put. 350 quantities I bought at 66 rupees. Okay, at this candle I bought 9:25. Okay, and it kept on going higher until it reached the bottom CPR. So I didn't book the loss because the world futures were going down. That is, Dow futures and European futures were already down, and India VIX was also rising. So when the market touched this bottom CPR, the India VIX was at 11%. Okay, so those were the two confirmations which I had already, that the market might crash in the second half. So when it touched the bottom CPR and it was reversing in this red candle, I again bought 150 quantities at the rate of 42 rupees. Okay, at around 11:35. 11:35 I bought it. Okay, in this red candle I bought. This is a rejection from the bottom CPR. It gave me the confirmation that it will reverse back from this bottom CPR. Okay, so my total quantity was 500, with the averaging at 58 rupees. Okay, so it started coming down, and I had booked the profit at around this candle. Why I didn't wait until it hit the yes to, because I was somewhere in the confirmation that this might not break the first candle low. Okay, this is the first candle low. So I didn't want to take in chances till here. It might bounce back also. So and India VIX was also shooting up at around 15%. So I exited my trade at 82. Okay, and today the entire day and here when I bought at third candle, it was my mistake that I thought it might reverse in the Virgin CPR, but because the India VIX was already 7% higher, it never cared for any indicators, so it started going higher. So one lesson I learned is that whenever the India VIX or the volatility index is higher, it doesn't care about for any of the indicators. It will just keep penetrating all the indicators. I had booked the profit of around 28% in this trade, and this trade I drained a lot in this trade. So waiting from almost 9:30 in the morning till 2:45. So that's all for now. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today one more trade I had taken at around 10:50, that is 23rd September, 17,450 CE. Okay, so I bought the option at around 75 rupees, that is 500 quantities I had bought. So and I booked the profit at around 105 price, um, at, uh, at around 115. Okay, so let me show you my trade for today. So I had bought around this candle, okay, around 10:55. Okay, so yeah, 10:53 I bought. So here I had bought. So the main reason why I had bought it here, because so this is the demand zone. Okay, and I thought it might reverse back from here, and also the India VIX was also in negative, and Dow futures were 300 plus point up, and when even DAX, even the European futures were trading in positive. So when European market opens, I thought it might pull back. So so with that in mind, I had bought the CE. Okay, here option buying I did here in this candle. Okay, so this blue color line is one more Virgin CPR which was happened 3 days back. Okay, um, okay, this is for this CPR, Virgin CPR. Okay, so yeah, it couldn't pierce it because since there was in Virgin CPR, and it took see, if you can see, it took the support from this demand zone. Okay, this is kind of inverted head and shoulder, head and a shoulder. Okay, this is an inverted head and shoulder. In this case, we would be guaranteed that the market will pull back. Okay, so I booked the profit at around 115. Yeah, 115 I had booked the profit. So at around this okay, this candle I booked when it broke this middle CPR. Okay, so I booked the profit. Why? What is the reason of booking the profit here? Because so since this is the middle CPR, so um, many times it happens like it will reverse back from this. Okay, so I didn't want to take any chances, and I didn't want to break my trading rules also. So I booked the profit and I'm out. But again, it rallied till this supply zone. Okay, this is one more supply zone. So even though it went, it just broke the CPR, top CPR, and it reversed again. But this 20 EMA had a very good support. for the market, so it went higher till this supply zone. My total profit for today is 40%. Thank you. Hello everyone. Today today was the sideways market, and also the CPR was very broad, so that indicates that the market will be in the sideways range. Okay, so in the morning at around 10:39 to 10:40, I thought of buying tomorrow's expiry, that is 23rd September, 17,600 CE. I thought of buying 500 quantities at 60 rupees. Okay, so it's an option buying, and I realized that around this area the market was struggling to go up. Okay, because this red line is the supply zone. So since it is the broad CPR, and it gave an indication that it will be a sideways market. So I thought I'll cancel my CE, which I thought of buying it. Then since it was struggling at around this supply zone, I bought. I plan to buy the PE put. Okay, so I bought at around 11 o'clock. I bought same 23rd September, 17,600 put. I bought 500 quantities at 66 rupees. Okay, this is 11.1. I bought it. So 11.1 is around this. See, this level. Okay, as soon as this green candle got the rejection from the supply zone, I bought it here. Okay, so then it went up almost till 108 rupees. Okay, my 66 went up to 108 rupees, and my total points was almost 82 points. Okay, so but I didn't book the profit. That's the biggest mistake I did. Okay, I don't know what I was thinking at around this level. As soon as it hit this CPR, I should have booked, but I didn't realize that it is hitting the CPR. Okay, so I missed that, and the market, as expected, it reversed back. Okay, again it came up to this supply zone. So here at around 12:45. Okay, this is the 12:45. No, this is the 12:45 candle. So as soon as it went above this previous day high, I sold it. So I thought, my put will get into the negative. So I sold at the market price, that is 67.28. Okay, and when it touched this supply zone at around 1 o'clock, yeah, at around 1 o'clock. Okay, at around this level I bought the put again. Okay, and same put I bought 600 quantities. I bought at around 59, so the average became around 62 rupees. Okay, so when it started coming down, I booked the profit at around 2 o'clock. 157 I booked the profit. Yeah, at around this candle I booked the profit, because even this is also so here it might take the support, and it might reverse back or bounce back. I didn't want to take any chances, and I booked the profit in this candle 155. Okay, this around 157 I booked it around this candle. Okay, when this candle started giving me the green signal, I booked the profit. I booked the profit for around 29% ROI today, 29% profit. So the main mistake I did is not booking the profit here. it happens like if I'm waiting for at least this the top CPR to break at least till here. I thought it will come till here. Just for that 5 to 10 bips I waited, and so I lost almost. I mean, I should have booked the profit here, but anyway, in the second trade I got at least 29% ROI. Okay, so that's all for today, and thank you.